Here we go, Daniel. Look at me. Yay! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, look at us. We're going in the mountains.
Oh my gosh, look at the...
Hopefully we don't get robbed.
Oh my god, look at that cow.
Hopefully we don't
Mira
get
esta
robbed by
vaca.
cowboys, Daniel.
Mira esta vaca, Papa.
Oh, there's a cow in there. Oh, a burro. Oh, look. Oh no.
No, where are we going? To the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere.
Look how concerned Daniel is.
Are we gonna get lost, Daniel? Los vamos a perder.
Oh no, the brakes went out, Daniel. The brakes.
Big old buffalo and a little elephant.
Oh, look at the buffalo.
We can't get out, Papa. We're stuck. We're stuck. Huh. Oh, okay.
Over there, you have some lovely houses.
Oh no, I think the brakes went out, Daniel. I think the brakes. Oh, that breeze is nice. Look at that's where the rapids are after we're in a drought.
There was a little river down there, Dad.
Look, Daniel. Look at me, Pops. Pops. Look. Give me a thumbs up. Are you happy?
What, baby?
Oh.
Yes, but
Oh no.
Baby elephant. Someone took his tusks. They put one of them on the buffalo.
Oh, nice.
Pulling back in.
the where?
The farm. I think there's a deer up there.
Hey, look at the donkey.
Get, baby.
Oh no, we're going through the tunnel again. Hey. Wow, Kim Kardashian. This is actually going to be a pretty good video. Oh no, watch out, we're crossing. Oh, look at the carnival ride. Tell these people to watch out, don't get ran over. That was too cool.